Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up my Stitch Fix box for the month of July. So for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, whatever you want. And when you fill out your profile, you can tell them the things that you would like to have sent and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you can try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items, then you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee. I no longer have that $20 styling fee for each box because a few years ago, Stitch Fix offered me the Style Pass. And so with the Style Pass, you pay $49 each year to have unlimited fixes sent to you throughout the year. For this month's fix, in my note to my stylist, I did tell her that we were going to be going to the beach, and so I asked her to send some things for that. And then when I received my fix preview, I did choose 2 of the items that are in this box. So we're going to go ahead and get in this box to see what I got for this month. Right on top is the prepaid mailer envelope. This envelope is used to send back anything that you don't want to keep, or if you need to make any exchanges. I love that shipping is free both ways, which makes it really nice and convenient. You're going to see a white envelope, and inside the white envelope is your price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 47 for me, so I've been doing it for a while. You're also going to have your Oh Hello card from your stylist, and so this is a note from the stylist, but it also gives you styling suggestions for the 5 items that are in the box. All right guys, I'm going to go ahead and read my note from my stylist. Hello lovely Jennifer, I've missed you. Woohoo, you love the shorter inseam on the cut from the cloth trouser shorts. This is what Stitch Fix is all about. Helping you discover styles or shorter inseams in our case. It instantly brought a smile reading your note that you really like them, and I can see we are going to branch out a bit more with the Elicia embroidered short for that bright and cheery yellow you can't get enough of for summer. Not only will they be great for dining out at home, but for your trip to Anna Maria Island this July. Oh, it's truly beautiful there. I used to visit my girlfriend in Tampa, and we'd venture to different beaches. Anna Maria Island being one that she couldn't stop talking about due to its beautiful sand and ocean. Well, I pulled the bold blue Annie blouse, giving you the calmness of the ocean and a playful look. Enjoy, Kara. And so here are my cards, and you can see that they give you the styling suggestions for the items in the box. And here is what my bundle looks like. And I did choose the dress and the yellow shorts. So let's see what else we have. All right guys, so the first item on top is by Papermoon, the Annie blouse in blue. And when I responded to my stylist in my preview note, I did tell her that I would like to see some items sent to match the yellow shorts that I picked out. And so she chose this top. And so it's a teal blue top. It has touches of yellow and orange and white in it. It kind of has like a double layer because it has like a sheer layer on top and then like a teal blue layer on the bottom. I'm going to get up close so you can see the print. It does have some yellow in it, so I'm going to pair this with the yellow shorts like she suggested. Feels like polyester. Let me check the fabric real quick. So yeah, it's 100% polyester for the lining and 100% polyester for the self. So that's really pretty. I like the split neck there. I'll try that with the shorts. All right, next item is by Mason & Bell, the Tempesta lace detail tank in off-white. I think you could pair this top with the yellow shorts too. It's just this really pretty white tank top. It has red, it has some peachy colors, it has some navy blue in it. It has that really pretty lace detail at the top. It's also on the back. It does look like it's a high-low. It does have a really pretty little trim at the bottom here. So I think I'm going to try that on with the yellow shorts too, but I think this would also pair really well with like dark denim shorts or something because of the navy blue in it. That feels maybe like it's rayon. Let me check. So it says the self is 100% rayon. The contrast is 74% cotton and 28% nylon. It's a little mixture, mostly rayon probably. So that's really cute. I don't always love rayon because it likes to shrink. The next item I did choose for my fixed preview, and this is by French Gray, the Troian brush knit dress in navy. And so in the summertime, I just really like to wear like cute little summer dresses. So when this was in my preview, I thought it was a good choice. It's this navy blue floral dress. The flowers are like orange, and they've got some brown, and there's green, and there's some pink in there. Has the cute little button detail going down the middle. It's a brush knit, but it doesn't feel like that super soft brush knit that would peel. Like, I don't have a lot of trouble with that fabric, but some people don't like it. It does have like the little elastic waist right here, and hopefully it will be a good length for me, but I think it will be. So that's really cute for summer. But it also has some colors that I think would transition into fall nicely. And then she sent me this second dress. It's by AVLN Studio, the Harmony Midi dress in coral. And so I don't have any of the midi length dresses, so this will be interesting. So it's just kind of peachy coral. I like the color. I like the little ruffles here at the top and on the sleeve here. It does have an elastic band right here. It has some ruffling that you'll see better when I try it on down here at the bottom. It is kind of sheer feeling. I feel like it's a polyester material. It does have a lining inside. The neck is very stretchy, so I think you just slip it on over your head. So that's really pretty. I'll be interested to see how that looks on me. And then lastly are the shorts that I picked out. And so I am branching out and trying some shorter inseam shorts. So these are by Market and Spruce, the Elicia mid-rise embroidered short in yellow. And so it's just a really pretty yellow short. The embroidery is not very much. It's just right here on like the pockets and things like that, and on the back pockets. They are stitched shut in the back. Pockets in the front. The side pockets are real, but this little pocket right here is fake. So those are really pretty. And I think these shorts will pair well with the two tops. So I'm gonna get ready to do a try on and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back with the first two items. And on top I have by Papermoon, the Annie blouse. And then on bottom I have by Market and Spruce, the Elicia mid-rise embroidered short in yellow. So let's start with the top. Get up close so you can see the colors. So it's got like a yellow, orange, some white, has a split neck V right here. The armholes fit well. It does have a double lining, so you've got the teal liner inside and the kind of like the little polyester kind of sheer part over top. It is not tacked in that way, so you would, like sometimes they're tacked on the side, but this one is not like that. And she had me to pair it with these yellow shorts, and I feel like these two items actually pair very well together. I really like the colors in this top because I feel like you can wear it now with this bright yellow, and you can also like throw a cardigan on over top of it for fall, so I think it's going to work well now and fall. So yeah, I think the top is really cute. The shorts, they fit well. They're very stretchy. And the length is a little bit longer, like I want to say like 1 inch longer than the shorts that I received in the last fix. And I think this pairs well together. You could do a little front tuck if you like to do that. So you could do something like that if you wanted to. So you guys tell me what you think about this outfit. I think it actually works really well together. I'm going to try on the other top with this and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back with the second top to go with these yellow shorts. And this is the Mason & Bell Tempesta lace detail tank in off-white. And I really think this top goes well with these shorts. It has this really pretty lace detail at the top. I like the colors. I'm gonna get in close so you can see. So like some red and some peachy orange. So it has some navy, so it would pair well with denim as well. Kind of see-through up here at the top, like how it comes down like this. The back is very lacy up here at the top. It's a little bit shorter in the front and a little bit longer in the back, which is usually how I like to wear my stuff. So what do you think about these two items together? I think it's really cute, very summery. All right, I'm gonna try on the first dress and I'll be right back. All right, fourth item is this dress by French Gray, the Troian brush knit dress in navy. And I did choose this dress for my fix preview. Get up close so you can see the colors. I think the colors are great for now, but they're also gonna be good for transition into the fall. I have cardigans that are coral and kind of like a burnt orange, so I think that would go well with this dress. I like the little button detail down here. I like the thick straps so you can wear a regular bra. It does have the elastic here in the middle. I feel like it's a good length on me. Just think the floral print is very pretty. Now it's brush knit, and sometimes brush knit can be very hot for people. This is a very thin brush knit, so it feels soft but very thin compared to the normal thicker brush knit fabric. So what do you guys think about this dress? I'm gonna try on that midi dress and I'll be right back. All right, the last item is this AVLN Studio Harmony midi dress. And like I said, my stylist chose this one. I do not own a single midi dress. So it comes up and is stretchy around the neck here, so you have to pull it over top of your head. It does have like a little ruffling right here at the top. Has cute ruffle detail right here around the arm. It is elastic at the waist. You get up close so you can see the print. It's like little polka dots, but little, I don't know, like little specks too. And so it has like a ruffle right here, and then it comes down to a midi length. It doesn't come all the way down to the ankle. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It is polyester, and it does have like a lining that goes to like right above the knee. So the bottom's a little more sheer. I'll turn around so you can see the back. So this is a cute dress. I think it's a dress that I would wear to church, or because I'm a teacher, I think I would wear this to go to work in. I like the colors. So you guys tell me what you think. I think it's cute. All right, I'm gonna get changed. I'll be back to do a recap. All right guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. And I know I say this almost every single time, but my stylist does a fantastic job. I love how she listens to what I put in my notes, and she sends me items that I'm requesting, and so she really does a fantastic job. All right guys, first on the list is by Violets and Roses, the Tempesta lace detail tank in off-white, and the cost of this top is $44. This is a really pretty top. I think it paired very well with the yellow shorts. It does have some really pretty details to it, like the lace on the front and the back and things like that, the little extra trim around the bottom. So it's very pretty. I really like that. All right, next on the list is by Papermoon, the Annie blouse in blue, and the cost of this top is $38. I think that's a really good price for this top. I think this top is really pretty with those yellow shorts. It's gonna transition well into fall with those pretty colors. So I really like this top. And I think I was surprised at how much I liked it with the yellow shorts. All right, next on the list is the dress I chose for my Fix preview, and it's by French Gray, the Troian brush knit dress in navy, and the cost of this dress is $48, and I think that's a great price for this dress. I think the colors are very pretty. I love that it's a lighter brush knit fabric. It's not that real thick brush knit fabric that some people say makes them feel really hot. I think the colors are gonna do well now, but also transition nicely into fall. Next, the shorts by Market and Spruce, the Elicia mid-rise embroidered shorts in yellow, and these are $58. These are a nice short. They are mostly cotton, but they have 2% lycra in them, which makes them stretchy enough to feel comfortable. And so I think these shorts worked really well with the two tops that she sent to me in this Fix. And then lastly is the second dress that she chose for me by AVLN Studio, the Harmony Midi dress in coral, and the cost of this dress is $58. I think this is a really pretty dress for church, for going to school as a teacher. The only thing that I didn't love about it was that you had to pull it over top of your head. And so the neck is very stretchy though, so it does pull over the head fairly easily. But that was the only thing that I didn't love about it. I think the colors are pretty. So you guys tell me what you think. And so this is a really well-priced box for me. The Stylist Pick subtotal is $246. The buy all discount takes off 25%, which would take off $61.50. My order subtotal would be $184.50. I don't have the styling fee because I have the Style Pass, but I do have a $50 credit on here where somebody used my $50 referral link, and so that takes that off. And that will make this whole box $134.50. So I think that's a great deal for these 5 items. I am going to leave that referral link in the description box below if it's still working. If it's not, then I'll put the $25 link in there. So basically that $50 referral link waives your styling fee, and then when you get your box, you'll have $50 to put towards anything in that box that you want to keep. If you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know. My family loves it because it's just really nice and convenient. We all get boxes, so we get boxes for my husband, myself, and my daughter. Tell me what your favorite item was in my box for this month. Until next time, bye guys.